Next, proof number 36. Prove that sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b, and also is equal to cos square b minus cos square a. Okay. So here LHS is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So sin a plus b into sin a minus b then equivalent proof cheyali sin square a minus sin square b, and also this is equals to cos square b minus cos square a. Okay, let's start. So here I am going to use compound angles concept. Maximum trigonometry lo meeru ఏ proof చేసినా almost 90% compound angles concept use చేస్తాం maximum. So anyhow, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So first of all, what is the formula for sin a plus b? Sin a plus b formula enti first of all. Sin a plus b is equal to, first let us write LHS. LHS రాసిద్దాం. So here LHS is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Let us expand sin a plus b. Sin a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So into sin a minus b formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Very simple formulas. Okay. So in algebraic identities you already learned a plus b into a minus b. You know this formula, and most of you know this for very simple formula. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. I am going to use this formula here. Just apply this identity here. See, let us say sin a cos b is equal to a, cos a sin b is equal to b, and this is a and this is b. A plus b into a minus b. This is a and this is b. Formula a square minus b square means sin a square minus b square kada, appudu sin a cos b whole square minus sin a cos b whole square minus cos a sin b whole square. Sin square a cos square b. See, sin a cos b whole square means it's like ab whole power m. A power m into b power m. Sin square a into cos square b. This square apply chesayandi sin ki cos b ki. Similar here also cos square a sin square b. Now simply look at RHS. Here we need sin square a and sin square b. But here we have cos square b and here we have cos square a. Okay. We must eliminate cos square b as well as cos square a. What is how do we eliminate cos square b? Elimination in the sense we have to convert cosine function into sine function. Cosine ni sine kinda convert cheyali. Mari enti emana relations unnaya? Yes. Trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now tell me, replace theta by a, then sin square a plus cos square a is equal to what? 1. Replace theta by b, sin square b plus cos square b is also equal to what? 1. Okay, na? From these two formulas, say cos square a plus name right in terms of sin, we can write cos square a is equal to here 1 transpose plus sin square a minus sin square a. Okay. Now here we need cos square b in terms of sin, some sin function. So transpose sin square b. Cos square b is equal to 1 minus sin square b. 1 minus sin square b. Okay. Now substitute cos square a and cos square b values in this relation. Okay. So in this expression just substitute, you will get one new expression. Okay, let us see. Okay, sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. Now put cos square b is equal to 1 minus sin square b. Here you will get sin square a into 1 minus sin square b minus, put cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. Okay. Now distribute sin square A into 1, sin square A. Sin square A into minus sin square B, minus sin square A, sin square B. Okay. Minus of 1 into sin square B, sin square B, minus sin square into sin square B, minus sin square A, sin square B, sin square A, sin square B. Okay. Now distribute here, distribute minus, anyhow first note down remaining terms. Sin square A minus sin square A, sin square B, minus into plus, minus sin square B, minus into minus, plus sin square A, sin square B, plus sin square A, sin square B, minus sin square A, sin square B, plus sin square A, sin square B, get cancelled, and at last you will get sin square A minus sin square B. Therefore, sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to what? Sin square A minus sin square B. And also we have to prove this is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. How? See. Sin square A can be written as sin square A in ela raichu 1 minus cos square A. Here sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A minus sin square B. Sin square B in terms of cos square B ela raichu sin square B is equal to 1 minus cos square B. So 1 minus, I will write next step here, 1 minus cos square A, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus plus cos square B, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. You will get cos square B minus cos square A. Therefore sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B in terms of sine functions, and is also equal to cos square B minus cos square A in terms of cosine functions. Okay. Hence proved.